Hey guys, what's going on? This is Monster once again with another video. I'm gonna crack something open that I didn't think I would ever crack, but I've been trying to get rid of this thing and nobody wanted it or trade, so I guess I'll open it, keep it for myself. But first we're gonna crack this guy open. They just started stocking these up at our Fry's locations. I got two of them. Let's see here. So yeah, I really like the card art. Pretty sweet cards. I did get a crap load of those skylines, and they're already sold. So sorry, dudes. At disappoint. But here's this guy. I brought the little one out to the park, so that's where I'm doing this video. But they did an awesome job on this Viper. Look at all that detail. Really like it. Pretty awesome detail. I got a few of these too for myself. Well, they didn't do much back here. It all worked right here. So, here's what we're gonna crack open. We got the Johnny Lightning 1971 Pontiac GTO. Let me see if I can find a number on it. I have no clue what number this is. So let's open it up, see if we can get a better look. I'm gonna pause it for just a second. Alright, here it is, and like always, everything does look a lot better outside. So, I'm going to be cracking a lot more pretty soon. I also have an Auto World station wagon right now that I was trying to trade for a Mopar. Doesn't seem like anyone is interested in trading, so I'm going to crack it open. Sorry, my kid was talking to me. So, okay, I see a number on here too. This is 229. I'm not sure exactly how many of these they made. Ah, damn. But here it is. Oh, it does have rubber wheels. That's pretty neat. Oh, I see the number here. It says 229. I think I'm gonna start opening a lot more of these chase pieces. See if this opens. Oh, it does open. Oh, and it stays up pretty good. Pretty nice. The only thing that's painted in the engine is the valve cover the valve covers. They even have a battery in there if you can make it out or not. Right here. That's pretty neat. I got the radiator in there. Looks like the overflow tank for the coolant. Anyway, man, this camera is not focusing right. But look at those wheels. Woo! First Johnny Lightning, White Lightning, whatever it's called, that I have opened, cracked open. So, no longer virgin on the White Lightnings. Well, thanks for looking, guys. Let's see what else we got down here. Johnny Lightning. Well, I finally figured out my three favorite casting, or favorite three brands, which is Johnny Lightning, Greenlight, and Auto World. By far the best quality, by far the best details. So, there it is, guys. Man, those tires, man, I'm gonna have to keep them. Keep it in that little plastic bubble so I don't get them all dirty. There it is. Hope you enjoyed this Pontiac. Guess if anyone still wants it, I'll trade it for a something, maybe a Challenger if they make Challengers in this. I do want that Warlock, the white one. I'll pay for it if anybody has one for sale. But there it is. Thank you.